Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have m cubed plus 5m minus 42 is equal to 0, and we will solve this problem for the real values of m. Okay, here you remember one thing, I can just find the real roots of this equation. So that the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can rewrite this equation as m cubed plus 5m, and here you have minus 42, and we can write it as minus 27 minus 15 is equal to 0. I can rewrite minus 42 in this way because here we need the two terms in cubic form. So here you can write 27 in cubic form, which is 3 to the power of 3. Okay, so I can break this 42 in this way. So now I can make the pairs of the cubic terms. So here you have the first term, which is m cube, and here you have minus 27, and we will write it as 3 cubed. And similarly here you can take common plus 5 from these two terms, and here we get 5 times of m minus 3 is equal to 0. After that we can apply here the cubic formula, and you know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here just I can put a is equal to m and b is equal to 3 in this formula, and we will get its output in this form: m minus 3 times of m square and plus 3m plus 3 square, and plus we can write this term as it is, and which is 5 times of m minus 3 is equal to 0. After that we can see here m minus 3 will be present on both of the terms, so we will take common and we get m minus 3 times of, here you have m square plus 3m plus, here you have 3 square, and 3 square is equals to 9, and plus here you take common m minus 3, and here we get plus 5 is equal to 0. After that here we have the two cases. The first case is we take m minus 3 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take m square plus 3m plus 9 plus 5 is 14 is equal to 0. And in first case we get the value of m, which is m is equal to 3, and in order to find the other real values of the given equation, we will solve this quadratic equation. So first I will check is this quadratic equation has real roots or complex roots. If this quadratic equation has real roots, then we will proceed this. If it has imaginary or complex roots, then we will just neglected these roots. Okay, so here you have the formula delta, which is equals to b square minus 4 times of ac. This delta will be tells us this equation has real or complex roots. If the value of the delta is less than 0 or negative, then we can say that this quadratic equation has complex roots, and if this delta is greater or equal to 0, then we can say that this quadratic equation has real roots. Okay, so that here you have the value of a is 1, value of b is 3, and the value of c is 14. So now we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and we will get here 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 14. So the 3 square is equal to 9, and 4 14s are 56, and 9 minus 56 is equals to minus 47. So here you can see that our delta is less than 0, so we can say that this quadratic equation has complex roots. But in this question we solve or we find only real roots, so that we will reject it these roots, and we can just proceed here this case only. And here you have m is equal to 3 be the only root of the given equation. So to check the root, is this root satisfy the given equation or not, so that here you have the given equation is m cubed plus 5m minus 42 is equal to 0. So here you can just put m is equal to 3. So when you substitute m is equal to 3 in this equation, so it will becomes 3 cube plus 5 times of 3 minus 42 is equal to 0. And here you have 3 cube, which is equals to 27, minus 5 3s are 15, here you have plus, and minus 42 is equal to 0. So 27 plus 15 is 42, minus 42 is equal to 0, and finally you have 0 is equal to 0. So this shows that m is equal to 3 satisfy the given equation. So m is equal to 3 be the only real solution of the given algebraic equation. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.